दे रहा है, दोनों लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा। जब ये स्क्रीन हट जाए तो बता देना ना, हमको पता चलता रहेगा। जब ब्लर आने लगे now see here question number 31. A cell of EMF 2 volt and internal resistance 1.2 is connected to an emitter. Emitter क्या करता है? Current measure करता है. It measures the current and its resistance is 0.8 ohm and two resistors 4.5 and 9 ohm in the parallel. You have to find the reading of the emitter. Reading of the emitter means you have to determine current. How will you determine current? So first of all, you determine total external resistance. Total external resistance. Because what is the formula of current? Formula of current equals to E upon capital R plus small r. Here E is given how much? 2 volt. Capital R, small r is given 1.2 ohm. और जो ये सेल को छोड़ के जितना भी होगा वो एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस होगा। सेल को छोड़ के जितना भी होगा वो क्या होगा? एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस होगा। तो हम इन दोनों का, ये दोनों कैसे हैं? पैरेलल में, तो इनका नेट रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करें। सो सी हियर 1/Rp इक्वल्स टू 1/R1 plus 1/R2. That is 1/4.5 plus 1/9. 4.5 का 2 times क्या होता है? 9 होता है, तो LCM क्या हो गया? 9. So 2 plus 1. So 1/Rp will be equal to how much? Rp equals to 3/9. So what will be Rp? 9/3, that is equals to 3 ohm. पर अभी ये भी है, तो कितना टोटल एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा? 3 plus 0.8. 3 plus 0.8. It's clear? So see here, total external resistance. Total external resistance. So this is equals to this much is 3 and this is 0.8. So 3 plus 0.8. So it will be equal to 3 plus 0.8. That is R equals to 3.8 ohm. Therefore current, use the formula I equals to E upon capital R plus small r. E is given 2. It's clear? Capital R is 3.8. Small r is 1.2. That is equals to 2 divided by 5. It's clear? So it is 0.4 ampere. So what is the emitter reading? Emitter reading 0.4 ampere. This is the emitter reading. It is clear? Now after that, you have to determine the potential difference across the terminals of the cell. What is its meaning? Who can tell? Potential difference across terminals of cell. Terminals of cell. So इसका meaning क्या है? It is the potential difference across the external resistance. Yesterday I have told in the lecture, it is equal to capital V. Capital V equals to I into capital R. Potential difference across the terminals of cell. This is known as terminal voltage. It is known as potential difference across the external resistance. So ये कितना होगा? I into capital R. I 0.4. Capital R 3.8. So it is equal to 1.52 volt. 1.52 then you have to find potential difference across the 4.5 ohm resistor. Now all of you see here. Now we have to determine potential drop across this. How can you determine? इससे जो करंट पास हो मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4.5, क्योंकि पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का फार्मूला क्या होता है, I इंटू आर। आए समझे, ये फार्मूला है पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप का या पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का। तो हमको इससे पास होने वाली करंट चाहिए। अगर वो करंट पता हो जाए तो क्या है, करंट मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4.5, दैट विल बी द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस दिस। Now see here, what is the total current here? Total current just now you have got 0.4 ampere. It's clear, means it is 0.4 ampere. Suppose I current goes in this side, I इधर जा रही है, तो remaining किधर जाएगी? 0.4 minus I will flow through this branch. अगर I current इधर जा रही है तो remaining current will flow through this. It is clear. Now as we know that in the parallel branches I into R remains same, मतलब जो I into R यहाँ होगा वही I into R यहाँ होगा। जो I करंट और रेजिस्टेंस का प्रोडक्ट यहाँ होगा वही करंट और रेजिस्टेंस का प्रोडक्ट यहाँ भी होगा। It is clear. So you find out. See here, let current through 4 ohm equals to I, 4.5. Therefore, current through 9 ohm, 9 ohm, it is 0.4 minus I. Since in parallel branches, potential difference remains same. Potential difference remains same. So you find out potential difference. What will be the potential difference here? 4.5 I into 4.5. Potential difference across 4.5 ohm equals to potential difference across 9 ohm. So it is equal to I into 4.5. इससे कितनी करंट पास हो रही थी? This into 9 minus I into 9. Now simplify 4.5 1 ja this, 4.5 2 ja this. So I equals to, so what will be 3I? It is 0.8. So I equals to 0.8 upon 3. 0.8 upon 3. So what will be the potential difference here? Potential difference will be current multiplied by resistance. Therefore, this ampere. Potential difference across 4.5 ohm upon 3 into 4.5. That is 0.8. This is 1.5. मतलब 1.20 volt. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 30. Question number 30 you can see. This is R1 and R2. They are connected in what way? They are connected in parallel.
Parallel.
R1 equals to 10 and R2 equals to, okay. And then there are 3 resistors. Here R3 equals to 30, R4 equals to 20, and R5 equals to this. And this is 1.8 volt. Here emitter is connected. Emitter is connected. It is clear? Now see here. So how will you do this? You have to determine the total resistance of the circuit. Very simple. Total resistance, how will you find? First, you determine the equivalent of these two. They are connected in parallel. Then you determine the equivalent of these three. They are also connected in parallel. और cell के साथ this part is connected in series. This is connected in series. It's clear? So see here, equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 connected in parallel. So this is Rp equals to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. It's clear. This is also one of the formula when two resistors are connected in parallel. It's clear. So R1 R2, that is 10 into 40 upon 10 plus 40. That is equals to 400 upon 50. So it is equals to 8 ohm. It's clear. Now equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5 connected in parallel. So see here we will determine by using this R1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 60. It's clear? What will be LCM here? LCM will be 60. 32 jar, 23 jar, 61 jar. That is 6 upon, that is 1 upon 10. 1 upon Rp equals to, so what will be Rp here? 10 ohm. Means its equivalent is how much? 8 ohm. Its equivalent is how much? 10 ohm. So what is the total resistance here? Total resistance will be, because in the cell there is no internal resistance. It is not mentioned here, therefore there is no internal resistance. So total resistance 8 plus 10, 18 ohm. Therefore total resistance eight plus 10 equals to 18 ohm. It's clear? Then after that, you have to find reading of emitters. Reading of emitter means current. Current equals to V upon R. What is V here? 1.8 upon 18. That is 0.1 ampere. Therefore, reading of emitter .1 ampere. It is the reading of emitter. It's clear? Now you see the next question. Question number 29. This is R1, R2, and R3. This is 6 ohm, 4 ohm, and 2. And this is the 6 volt. Now three registers of 6, 2 and 4 are joined to an emitter A. They are joined to an emitter A and EMF of cell is 6 volt. As shown in the figure. Calculate the effective resistance of the circuit. You have to determine the effective resistance of the circuit. So see here, there is no internal resistance. What will be the effective resistance? So if you see here, R2 and R3, they are connected in what way? They are connected. It's clear? Here they are connected end to end. Therefore, they are connected in series. It's clear? What will be their equivalent? 2 plus 4, 6. Series में क्या होगा? 2 plus 4, 6. Means now it has become total 6. It has become total 6. This branch is equivalent to resistor of 6 ohm. Now this 6 ohm and this R1, they are connected in what way? ये आपस में कैसे connected हैं? अगर इसको हम remove मान लें, you remove this and connect this 6 ohm resistor here, then they are connected in what way? Parallel. It's clear? Because now it has reduced into 6 ohm. तो ये 6 ohm हमने यहाँ ड्रा कर दिया, दूसरा 6 ये है, कैसे है ये? Parallel में. So see here, you do equivalent resistance R2 and R3 equals to 2 plus 4 connected in series. You write down connected in series. That is 6 ohm. It's clear? Now this 6 ohm is connected to the R1 in parallel. It's clear? So you write down this thing. This 6 ohm is connected in parallel to R1. Therefore, effective resistance. What is the formula of parallel? Formula in parallel R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. It's clear? If two resistors are connected in parallel, then what is the formula? R1 R2. It is just the formula. It's clear? It does not mean that R1 is 6 and R2 is वो उससे मतलब नहीं है. So 6 into 6, one is 6, other is also 6 upon 6 plus 6. That is 36 upon 12. That is 3 ohm. So effective resistance is 3 ohm. This is the effective resistance. Then you have to find the reading of emitter. Means you have to find the current. So what will be current? V upon R. So reading of current I equals to V upon R. That is equals to 6 upon 3. That is equals to 2 ampere. Therefore, reading of emitter ampere. Reading of emitter is 2 ampere. It's clear? So now you can see the next question. Question number 28. This is 2 ohm, R ohm, 4 ohm. This is 2 volt, 3 ohm. And current is 0.25 ampere. Now all of you see here, The circuit diagram shown in the figure 8.53 shows three resistors 2, 4 and R connected to a battery of EMF 2 volt. Means the total potential draft will be 2 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm. If the main current is defined flows through the circuit, find the potential difference across 4 ohm resistor. Means इसमें कितना potential difference है. So you can see here, first you see here current is 0.25 ampere. When the current will reach at this point, कुछ करंट इससे पास होगी, कुछ करंट क्या होगी, इससे पास होगी. Suppose I current goes in this side, then 0.25 minus I current will flow through the R. Once again, both the currents will meet here और कितनी करंट बन जाएगी, 0.25 ampere. It will become 0.25 ampere. Means what is the current flowing through 4 ohm? It is 0.25 ampere. Current flowing through 4 ohm, it is 0.25 ampere. Therefore, potential difference, you can see here, potential difference across 4 ohm, that is equal to I into R. I is 0.25. What is R? It's 4. That is 1.00 volt. It is 1.00 volt. Then you have to find potential difference across the internal resistance. Internal resistance is 3 ohm. What will be the current through the cell? Same current will flow. जो मेन करंट होगी वही करंट सेल के अंदर से भी पास होगी. So see here, potential difference across the internal resistance, across the internal resistance, that is into small r. What is I here? 0.25. And what is small r3? That is 0.75 volt. It is 0.75 volt. Now then you have to find potential difference across R ohm, R2 ohm. Potential difference across R ohm, R2 ohm. Now all of you see here, as we know that in the parallel there will be same potential difference. जितना potential difference यहाँ होगा वही यहाँ होगा. Suppose यहाँ 5 volt का ड्रॉप हो रहा तो यहाँ भी 5 volt का होगा और टोटल में कितना होगा वो भी 5 volt होगा. वो नहीं, वो ये नहीं कि 5 + 5 10 हो जाए. आए समझे? Here there is a drop of 5 volt, so here also there will be a drop of 5 volt. What will be the total potential drop? That will also remain 5 volt in the parallel. Parallel में ये rule है. आए समझे? जो एक के क्रॉस ड्रॉप होगा वही दूसरे के क्रॉस, टोटल भी वही होगा. So see here potential difference across R ohm or 2 ohm you have to find. So see here, what is the total potential drop? 2 volt. 1 volt का ड्रॉप यहां पर हो गया. 0.75 volt का ड्रॉप कहां हो गया? सेल के अंदर. So how much is left? 2 volt में 1 volt यहाँ ड्रॉप हो गया. 0.75 volt है dropped here. So how much is left? 2 minus these. So 2 minus 1 minus 0.75. That is 0.25 volt. Means what is the potential difference here? 0.25 volt. What is potential difference here? 0.25 volt. Now you have to find the value of R. So how will you find the value of R? So you can see. First you find out the current through 2 ohm. 2 ओम से पास होने वाली करंट हम फाइंड आउट करें, कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल बी इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस। पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस हमको मालूम हो चुका ये। सो करंट थ्रू 2 ओम V अपॉन R। V हमको निकाल लिया, R कितना है 2, सो 0.125 एम्पियर। This is the current through 2 ohm. So what will be the current through this minus I? It's clear. Therefore current through what is the current through R? It is 0.25 minus I, that is 0.25 minus 0.125, that is 0.125 ampere. It is clear? G third part. What is the total drop? It 2 volt. 2 volt में 1 volt has dropped here. 0.75 volt had dropped here. So how much is left? How much is left? This. That will drop across this. It's clear. So it is 0.25 volt. So current through R will be this. अब देख लो, इसके क्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना? 0.25. इसके क्रॉस करंट कितनी है? It is this. So what is therefore value of R? It is V upon I. That is 0.25 upon 0.125. That is 250 upon 125. That is equals to 2 ohm. It is 2 ohm. It is clear? Now you see the question number 27. Here we have to draw the diagram. A battery of EMF 15 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm. Means EMF is given 15 volt and internal resistance is 3 ohm. It's connected to 2 resistors, 3 and 6 connected in parallel. One is 3 and another is 6. 3 ohm and 6 ohm connected in parallel. First, you have to determine current through the battery. Current through the battery means main current. Battery से होके कितनी current pass होगी? That will be the main current. Means you have to find I. So first of all, you find the total resistance. Total resistance. So total external resistance. How will you find? As 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. Therefore, their equivalent resistance R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. That is 3 into 6 upon 3 plus 6. That is 18 upon 9, 2 ohm. It is 2 ohm. It's clear? This is the external resistance. External resistance is 2 ohm. Therefore current you can say. Capital R plus small. It is 15. Capital R is 2 and small R is 3. So 15 upon 5. So it is 3 ampere. So now you can see once again, here there is a cell whose EMF is 15 volt and internal resistance is 3 ohm. It is connected across two resistors which are connected in parallel. You have to find the current through battery, means you have to find main current. So see here, first you find the equivalent of these two. They are connected in parallel. What will be their net resistance? 3 into 6 upon 3 plus 6, that is equals to 2. This is the total external resistance because there is no other resistance in the external circuit. External circuit में और कोई दूसरा नहीं है. So this is this. So what will be current? I equals to E upon R plus R. E is 15 volt. R 2, small r 3. So it is 3 ampere. So you write down current through battery 3 ampere. Current through battery. Then you have to find the potential difference between the terminals of battery. Means what you have to determine. Bolo? Between terminals of battery. What you have to determine? You have to determine V. So V equals to E minus I into small r. R you can find by using this relation. So I am determining from this because everything is given. I is how much? 3. And what is the external resistance? External resistance is 2. So it will be equal to 6 volt. Then you have to find the current in 3 ohm resistor and current in 6 ohm resistor. So you assume that if there is I current here, what is the total current? Total current you have calculated 3 ampere. It's clear? So if I current is flowing here there is how much? 3 ampere. So remaining will flow here, that is 3 minus I. It's clear? So let current through 3 ohm equals to I. Therefore, current through 6 ohm, that will be 3 minus I. Since in parallel, potential difference remains same. Potential difference means product of current and resistance. So what is the product here? Current is I, resistance is 3. I into 3. Here, current is this, resistance is 6. So you can see here. I into 6. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So I equals to 6 minus 2I. So 3I equals to 6. So I equals to 2 ampere. I equals to 2 ampere. This is correct. Now here it is 3 ohm. So what will be through 4 ohm? 6 ohm. Therefore current through 6 ohm. So you can see through 6 ohm it will be 3 minus I. 3 minus I, that is equal to 3 minus 2. That is 1 ampere. It will be 1 ampere. SI I की वैल्यू, remaining क्या थे? Here it is 3 ampere. Suppose I flows here, so remaining will flow here.
सर रीजॉइन होना है.
No. Question number 26. How much time is left? 1 minute.
लेस देन 1 मिनट.
जो क्वेश्चन सब करवा रहे हैं उनकी फोटो भेज